Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Ochoa, and this is Dr. Nellie Gonzalez.
We are board-certified pediatric dentists here in San Antonio, Texas.
More parents today are asking about white resin fillings because they want something that looks natural and blends in with their child's smile.
And as pediatric dentists, we also care about function. We want the filling to look good, but more importantly, we want it to protect the tooth and hold up well for your child.
So we help parents understand when a white resin is a good option and what factors will help it to last.
White resin fillings are tooth color restorations that we use to repair teeth after removing decay or fixing a small area of damage.
They are called white fillings because they are matched to the natural tooth color, which makes them less noticeable.
In pediatric dentistry, we commonly use them for small to moderate cavities, especially when we keep the tooth dry and isolated during treatment.
They can be used on baby teeth and on permanent teeth, depending on the size and the location of the cavity. White resin fillings can be very durable for children when they are used in the right situations.
Kids do put a lot of wear and tear on their teeth, especially on the back teeth where they chew.
That's why we look closely at the size of the cavity, the child's bite, and how much tooth structure is left.
When the case is a good fit and the restoration is well cared for, a white resin filling can be a strong, long-term option for many children. Several things affect how long a white resin filling will last.
The size and the depth of the cavity matters. Smaller restorations usually have a better long-term outcome than very large ones.
Moisture control is also very important because white resin needs a clean, dry area to bond well to the tooth.
And after treatment, brushing, flossing, diet, grinding habits, and regular dental visits play a big role.
So durability is not just about the material, it is also about the child, the tooth, and the care afterward.
White resins may be a great choice when the cavity is small to moderate and there is enough healthy tooth structure to support the restoration.
They can also be a nice option for visible areas because they blend in with the natural tooth color.
For some children, preserving a natural-looking smile is really important, especially as they get older.
But we always want to be honest with parents. If a tooth needs more protection than a white resin can provide, we will explain other options available.
Our goal is not just a pretty restoration, it's the right restoration.
The best way to know if a white resin restoration is right for your child is to schedule an exam.
We can look at the tooth, review any x-rays, and explain the size and location of the cavity.
Then we talk through the options in a simple way, including what we recommend and why.
Every child and every tooth is different, so personalized guidance really matters.
If your child has been told they need a filling, call our San Antonio office. We would be happy to help you understand the best option for your child.